Hello, I'm Dr. Maria Portelos-Ramicho from the UF IFAS Extension here in Sarasota County. Today we are going to talk about some green cleaning products. How many chemicals are found in the average household? Do you know? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's actually more than 400 cleaning products and chemical products are found in our homes. But what is green cleaning? Well, it's just an alternative to cleaning that not only helps preserve our health and our pets' health and our children's health, but it also helps save our environment as well. Here's just an example of some of the items that you might need to begin collecting green cleaning products. And I'll bet most of these items you already have in your home and perhaps in your pantry, whether it's distilled white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, salt and baking soda, to lemon juice and Castile soap. All these items can come together to make some products that you can use in your home, whether it's your kitchen, your laundry room, garage, family room, and even you can use some of these products to help control pests. Making sure too that you have the proper containers to use for these products and mixtures, and always labeling them as to what they are, and as well as the date that you produced that mixture. I hope you join me on my next Cleaning Without Chemicals class to learn more about the importance of cleaning without chemicals, as well as getting the recipes needed to make these products.